And I just got finished off those 10 liters of air. But that's like a minuscule. We're having a lot of fun with it. But really, no, I just. Oh my god, I'm so sick, you guys. My voice is kind of cracky and stuff because of it, but who cares, right? Or do something like I can put my creativity in and create stuff and do stuff and share it with you guys. Or maybe you did already choose an education, like how did you do it? And I don't know, I guess I just kind of want to know. Underneath, this will be totally fine, and I really, really like it. One thing, 10 years, sorry, pop stop, and then order, because it can save you a lot of money. And it's more fun to shop when it's cheap. Like, I eat tons and tons and tons of pasta. I wanted to do a video on how to flirt with a girl. I think I've already done a video along these lines, I feel like, but I'm not quite sure. But so many of you guys kept asking me flirt with a girl.